Hello everybody, happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. My husband is upstairs with my children cooking me supper. And I said, I want to go and do a Facebook Live. He's like, you have tons of time, sweetie, go for it. So I jumped on. Now, we're going to play. Just a sec, I probably should show you what we're playing with. Actually, no, I don't really need to because I showed it to you the other day. Everything is super rosy, guys. Okay, so if you missed this, I did open it the other day and I shared it with everyone. The kit's unreal. I don't even know how to describe it. Like, it's mind-blowing. Anyway, I had so much fun. So if you don't have it yet, you want it. And I actually just finished typing up my PDF. I've got an awesome 6-card class to go with this one. And remember, if you order it from me, that you will get that PDF for free. But this is one of the cards on it. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to everybody else out there too. Okay, so what we're going to start with is I have got a Night of Navy card base, peeps. And I have this super handy dandy, I know this is super cheesy. I have a very beautiful box. Now I'll show you why I have this box. I have this box because this box is fantabulous for me when I decide I need to spritz color on things. So I don't know, it just kind of keeps things contained. So I keep this box up in the cupboard for this reason. Now, what I've done here is I took that gorgeous rose gold shimmer paint, shook it all up, and then I took one of our colors, our spritzers, just a sec. It's right here, okay? And you can see it, and I stuck in rubbing alcohol, and then I added a few drops of that spritzer, okay? Or sorry, of the, what's it called? Of the rose gold. You follow me, guys? Okay, and so then, now I'm gonna do, and we're gonna make sure, please do this, make sure that it's not facing you. Good, because how many times have I done that? It's actually quite impressive. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just going to go, oh, actually I don't wanna do it first. I lied, I wanna stamp first, hang on. We're gonna do the stamping first. So now that you know what I'm gonna do, I won't talk that up when I get to it, okay? So here we go, peeps. First thing we are going to, oh, we need the stamps. I am a disaster and probably should not have come on without maybe a little bit more preparation, but I don't care. You can hang with me. Okay, so we have got Night of Navy ink. I'm going to open that up. And we're going to go like this. Do, 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 do. Okay, and then I'm going to take him and I'm just going to kind of, I don't know, here-ish. And don't worry, you're all like, and you're stamping right over top of the last one. It doesn't matter, it'll look good after, okay? Kind of like that. There, we'll just slap those on. I need those on before we do anything else. Okay, now we can do the spritzing. You ready? Here we go. Now we'll pull in the box. And we'll put our card in. And I know that looks hideous right now. Wow, can you ever see that in that light? Okay. Anyway, you ready? Spritzer, check, aim, away from body, and spritz, and spritz. Yes, love. Did you see that? What happens if you use water instead? No, it's not a stupid question at all, Becky. If you use water instead of alcohol, because alcohol evaporates very quickly, it's very easy to work with when you're making cards. If you use water, you need to wait for it to dry, or you're gonna have to take out a heat gun. And I do tend to find that like that, I'm gonna dance on the camera, that my card fronts get a bit more warped when I use water versus the rubbing alcohol, okay? Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful that is? So fun. So yeah, like this is dry. Now, like it's all good. I can use my card already, okay? So that was that step. Now, next thing we're gonna do is I am going to take a piece of this DSP right here. So this one's got a really nice kind of navy on the back, and then it's got the copper foil on the front. And I love this. It almost looks like someone kind of mixed paint in. So we're gonna take that piece and I'm gonna cut it just to 4 1/4, okay? Easy breezy. Now this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this with snail, but not yet. We're going to do a little bit of die cutting, a little bit of stamping. So I'm actually going to start with this little label here that came in the kit. And I am going to, I think I'm going to use the birthday one. So I have all my stamps way over here from my class yesterday. Do you think I could have brought them over with me? No, why would I do that? Why would I be organized? Okay, I'm bringing stamps over. Thank you. Will you tell your mom Happy Mother's Day too, Sean? Okay, ready? So ink this one up. We're going to go with May Your Birthday Be Filled with Pretty Things. And chocolate cake. Stamp it. Woo, woo. Got it. Okay, on straight, off. Fantabulous. Okay, next. We need some scraps of Whisper White. Don't close your Night of Navy ink because you're going to need it. Just grabbing a scrap. Here, this one will work to start. Okay, so next thing we're going to need, you organize. I'm organized 95% of the time. It just appears to me that when I do Facebook Lives, I'm not that organized. It's kind of my moment to, you know, have a brain fart. Okay, so next thing we're gonna grab is we are going to grab this leaf. I have to say, it's kind of my favorite. I love how scripty scrolly it looks, super cute. So we're gonna come in and we're gonna put you over here. And then that one that we already used, like on the card backing, we're gonna use that one here too, okay? Ta-da! Happy Mother's Day, Sue. Oh, I had navy ink. See that? Did anyone else see that? Good, it's right there, and it's on my hand, which means I'm gonna get it on the white cardstock or on the card momentarily, because that's how I roll. Okay, we'll use that one up. And then the next one that I wanna do is I'm going to grab my Melon Mambo. Did I put Melon Mambo away? Where are you? There it is. Okay. Thank you, Louise. Happy Mother's Day to you too. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is I have got my Melon Mambo ink pad ready to go right here. And for this one, I'm just gonna use that smaller flower. So tap, 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 and then stamp it. Ta-ta. Beautiful. Okay, close it. I totally seem to be sticking my finger in ink pads tonight. Okay, have we got our bits? We've got both sets of bits. All stamping complete? I feel like all stamping is complete. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is, hello, Andrea. Next thing we're gonna do is we're heading to the Big Shot. Okay, peeps, and we are going to do a little bit of die cutting with, I'm not gonna lie, my favorite foil paper ever. Thank you, Melanie, you too. Okay, so hang on, I gotta make sure that I have enough DSP here. Okay. So I want 4 1/4. I want this to be the same width as my card. So I've got a piece of the rose gold foil here. And what I'm gonna do is, because I want it to leave me a straight edge, I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna go on this side. We're gonna go like this, ta-da. Hello, Laura. I know I totally caught people. Well, for me, it's dinner time. It's 6:15 here, but everybody's ignoring me. I'm allowed to do what I wanna do right now. I'm not partaking. Hi, Jeanette. Happy Mother's Day, sweetie. Okay, so we're going to take this piece out. Just a sec. Just a second. Pull them out. I love this. You have to look at this. Just a sec. This border, look at this. Just remove his bits. Take his bits out. Is that not insane? Do you see that, peeps? Like, look at it. It's so pretty. Okay, sorry. I get a little bit excited over these things. Next thing I need is I need one of my big, will this thing fit on here? I will make it fit. We will make it work. We have to go in the middle. We have to go right in the stinking middle. Okay, sorry, but I have to put on one. I don't know if I've told you this before. My stamping room here upstate we called Inky Fingers. Well, I believe it. That would make a lot of sense for a lot of us. I do end up with very inky fingers. Okay, you ready? Is rose gold? Sean, are you wrapping me up? It's totally rose gold. It is not copper this time. We are rose golding it. Okay, just a sec. We're gonna get rid of my Big Shot because we don't need it. Oh yeah, we do need it. I lied. Sorry, didn't mean to lie. I was about to walk away from your phone. Well, that would have been a mistake, Laura. There will be no walking away from our phones. Okay, now you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm literally dropping my die on the floor. I know. It's purely because I have no idea where my paper piercer is. I took it somewhere to get a piece of lint out of the washing machine today, and I don't know where I put it down. Okay, so we've got this guy ready right here. Again, super beautiful and detailed. Now we're gonna grab those bits that we've already stamped, okay? So let's jump in. Just a second. Oops, did I get that one? See, now we're gonna have a bit of a problem though, because I've got bits left in that one. Hang on. 1, 2, and we need a flower, yes? I should have cleaned these and put, your Big Shot plates look like mine. These Big Shot plates are good. You should see some of mine. Actually, I have a few brand new sets. They're in the drawer. But I'm like, you know what? These ones don't, it doesn't bother me. Is that bad? There's a lot of things that like make me, you know, kind of twitch. This is not one. Hello, LA. Okay, so you ready? Cranking this through. There we go. Okay. Again, love. Isn't that the, I love the kind of way that that one stamps. Okay, we're trying to find my other paper piercer here. Oh, there, I've got the other one. Because I really need to get some of these bits out. Keep your bits tidy, guys. Because that is not going to fly. There we go. We're all good. Okay, so now let's go with this one. This one is kind of funky the way that he's got like a center to him, but I realized after, you'll see why, okay? So once we die cut him, you'll understand why he's got those little bars. Now we do still have to die cut the flour. There's the die. I was so sad I need more plates, but I went to my order, they were gone. I really need some. Ship has sailed. Yeah, it did. It was quick, wasn't it? Okay, so this is why he's got those little bars, because you can actually look at the detail it kind of takes out right there in the center. Love, love, love. Okay, so put that with our pile of bits to use. And then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come in, and I'm just gonna use this guy here. And I actually find this one not, now that I've said that, it won't work. Not too difficult to line up. He's kind of, you can kind of match the bumps easy, okay? So we're gonna put him on there. Is he centered? Ish. Oops, hold on. Yeah, some of these plates, I mean, I think I've had some of these plates for, God knows, well, is that one even beveled on the end? Yeah, it is. I have some that aren't even beveled on the end still, which would be like those, do you remember the original ones that were just flat? Okay, we have all the bits. Let's assemble this back. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come back in with that card base that we already did our spritzing on, and we are going to grab our snail, and I'm just gonna run it along that edge, okay? And then with that piece, we're gonna take it, don't stick both of them together, that won't work. And we're gonna take you over there-ish, like that. Whew. Check it. Beautiful or what? Is that not gorgeous? Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one in here. So now that you've got those two pieces stuck together, now you can slap like your full-blown crazy snail. Famous last words. It's easy. I promise it is. Okay, so now I just have to line these up. Now again, I'm working on a black mat with Night of Navy paper. Not my favorite, because I don't find I can see as well. Okay, are you starting to see it come together? Yes, yes. Are you understanding why it didn't really matter what was happening down there? Okay, so now we've got our label, we've got these, we've got you, we've got you. Did I get pink ink on there? No, I didn't. Okay, and then I need a little bit, check this out. This is the Melon Mambo ribbon. Hello, Jacqueline in Texas. Hi, Gail, how are you? I want to see you again. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this super cute little label, and I'm gonna stick a bunch of snail on him. We're not snailing him down on the card. I just need some stuff to stick to him, okay? So I'm gonna go like, this is probably gonna cut quite high because, there, we're just gonna go like that. We'll let that tuck that way. Hi, Dina. Happy Mother's Day to you. Tuck this one down here. Now, this one, I'm actually going to stick a little bit of snail, and he's going straight down on the card, okay? We're going to tuck him kind of over, maybe I'll go a little bit higher in this zone. I know a tip from our demonstrator. Label your plates top and bottom when they start getting warped, and then turn them. You know, I keep my bottom plate always on the bottom, and he never seems to warp. What I actually do is I make sure my top plate gets flipped quite frequently so that I don't, sorry, I'm just trying to line this up, so I don't schmuck him up too much. Okay, so we've got those on. Now that we've got the whole back all sticky and wonderful, now we're gonna jump in with our dimensionals, okay, peeps? So, I think two will do. Two will do. Oh, where did I put my accents? Oh, they're there, good. Oh, we've got these super cute little glass accents that come with this kit, and they are stunning. Okay, so we're gonna come over here. We're gonna put you, I'm gonna pull you over a bit, I think. Don't want you too close to my leaf. There, so you can see, I just wanted those guys peeking out. We weren't really going for full effect. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one here. Now, I am going to stick it on, but I'm gonna put my dimensional way up on the edge. Watch this. Reason being, I don't wanna stick it on top of my sentiment part, so I want it to overlap it, but I'm going to attach it to the card front. Oh, extra stick is always good, Laura. You know me. One can never have enough snail. There we go. So we've got those bits all together. Now, if you missed this, these guys, you pop them off, and then they do have, and this one's actually a good example because it was already kind of coming off. They have a little kind of cover so that you don't, oh, and they're really sticky, so they don't stick into your fingers, just to protect them from getting damaged. Oh, I didn't do that next. Here, hang on. We're going to do one thing. Put that down. Can I drop it? I can. I noticed that on my card that I actually did. I had one more thing done. Spent the afternoon in the craft room. Killed a card 3 times. It's a crime scene. Okay, we're going to try and stamp right on the card. Do you think I can do it? Let's try it. Boop. It'll make contact. Haha, it worked. Weren't you going to be on Friday? I was not on Friday, Becky. It did not happen. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck this one over here. That card, my cards will never fall apart, Laura. Come on, girl, you know that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are just gonna finish up, just a sec, that inside. Okay, so I think up for my inside, I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna give it a little strip that coordinates with what we stuck on the front. And, oh, did that too wide. To be honest, for me, it helps me because I don't like writing. So it helps me take up space. Is that bad? Am I going straight to hell? I know I am. Okay, and I think what I will do on this, where's my Knight of Navy? Did I put it away? Why am I being so proper with my inks tonight and putting them away? That is so not me. Okay, there we go. I think what I will do is I will take a little bit and I will just take you and stick you on. Yes. There we go. Good. Oh, and I know what I have. That's what I'm going to use. I have a little tiny one. Check these out because this is another die. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in there. Okay, and then we will take this. Oh, the snail is on its, feels like it's on its last legs. You know when they get really tight? You're like, What did I do for Mother's Day? Well, my hubby and children made me breakfast. And my husband and I, normally I walk with my kids, and I didn't this morning. We got up, we were up so early, and it was still sunny out, and it wasn't supposed to be later. So my husband and I snuck out and did our walk, just the two of us this morning. And then if I tell you what else I did on Mother's Day, you're gonna think I'm a big dork. So when my family, okay, but I'm gonna tell you anyway, so you can just deal with the fact that I'm a dork. When my family said, what do you want for Mother's Day, Mom? I was like, I don't want anything. I have a really big request. I said, I would love for everyone to help Mommy clean. And they're like, what? Now my kids clean every Saturday. I'm talking, they each have a bathroom. They each vacuum one level of the house. They wash the floors. They do the stairs. Like, they are awesome. I will never complain about how much these two do. But I said, I need one day with 4 of us all cleaning so that we can do like deep clean, like wash walls, wash baseboards, vacuum crown moldings, you name it. And so everybody, both my boys and my husband, for 2.5 hours worked with me. You have to think, you do 4 people at 2.5 hours, you guys. That's like 10 hours of man time that I didn't have to do. It was amazing. So I know it's super cheesy. I'm such a dork, but I'm a clean freak, and so it made me super happy. And nobody complained, and everybody helped Mommy. And then I came down to my playroom. I came to my playroom. I called my playroom after. Okay, peeps. So there you go. There is that stunning. Everything is rosy. Do you like it? Do you like the card? I'm so in love with it. Didn't you say when your snail makes that noise, it's coming to an end? Yeah. Oh, no, not the noise. No, I've still got quite a bit on. Anyway, so there is a gorgeous card using it. I hope you love it. Oh, hang on. You can see my other one. And you can, oh, here, this is what I want you to see. Check this out. So there is one of the labels. Now, when I designed the cards for my PDF, what I made sure is that every card that I designed that had a label, I made sure there was another label of similar size that you could replace it with. So you could essentially make 4 of this card, yes? So you could do 2 because you get 2 of this label, and you could do 2 because you get 2 of this label. And so I kind of designed the others around a similar kind of method. Now, do you want me to do the plain flyby? You ready? Here we go. We're going to do the other 6 cards. That was it. Did you see it? Going the other one. That was fast. Ooh, that was a really fast one. Back the other. I had so much fun. I know it's so cheesy. I had so much fun. Whoop. And the last one. I know. Okay. There you go, my dears. I hope you all have an amazing night. Please remember, if you head to shopwithnorthstarStamper.com and use my current hostess code, and you order your Everything is Rosy kit from me, I will make sure that I will email you out my PDF immediately. Becky, you can get it online right now or with your demonstrator. And just a second, it's 109 in Canada. It's less in the States. I want to say it's like 80 in the States. Just a second, I'm clicking on my link so that I can, oh, it's not allowing me to learn. Oh no, I'm learning more. Hang on. It's allowing me to learn more. There we go. In the States, it's 80, sweetie. Item number is 150059, okay? And when you order it, you will get the PDF from me to go and make those other cards. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for joining me tonight. I hope you have had an amazing Mother's Day to all my moms out there. And I'll see you for sure on Wednesday. Okay? Take care. Bye, guys.